Hello, my wonderful reading friends. Did you know that every page in a book is like a door that opens to a brand new adventure? Well, we're going to read about Splat the cat, who takes the cake. It is by the creation of Scotton. I can't wait to read this with you. I'm very excited to find out what kind of cake Splat the cat makes. Remember, if you like the story, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Read to Me, Miss D. Share it with your friends so we can all read together. Alrighty, here we go. Splat the cat takes the cake. Okay, here we go. Splat the cat sat watching Super Cat on TV. It was his favorite show. There's his TV. This time, brave Super Cat was saving his tiny town from an awful earthquake. Splat said, I want to be a brave hero too. Eek! Look out, a snake! Seymour, I'll save you. So Splat saved Seymour from a sneaky snake. But he forgot to beware of his mango milkshake. Splat! That's that, exclaimed Dad. No more Super Cat. No more TV. Ugh, he made a mess. No more TV, Splat groaned. No more TV, said his mom. Why not take a bike ride to the lake? Yes, I could use a break, said Splat. Splat took off on his bike. Riding helped him shake his mango milkshake mistake. On his way to the lake, Splat saw a big sign. A clever thought crossed his mind. He could bake a TV-winning cake. Splat never made it to the lake. Instead, he sped home to bake his cake. He opened Mom's cake book and looked and flipped, but no cake in that book. Again, but no cake in that book had the tippy-top look of a super first prize cake. Oh, he wants to win a TV. So Splat said, I'll bake my own super-duper cake, one that nobody else can make. Splat said, let's see, I'll need a large pan or two, or maybe 3. Splat put in all the things he needed to bake a super duper cake. Splat said to Seymour, more cake flour makes more cake power. Then he added one more thing. The cake was now ready to bake. But that last thing Splat added was a big, big mistake. Splat. Now there was no cake, and there was a big mess. Splat was too tired to bake another cake. He went to bed thinking, how will I win the TV? What would Super Cat do? Then Splat dreamed of Super Cat. When Splat woke up, he knew what to do and how to bake his super cake. Oh, he is ready to go. At the contest, Splat was ready. Spike was there with his cake. Kitten was there with her cake. Plank had baked a cake too. Spike's cake was wider. Kitten's cake was prettier. Plank's cake was taller. Was Splat's cake super enough? The judges looked closely at every cake baked. They tasted the cakes. They talked together. Then one judge said, our top judge will now award the Super Cake Prize. Surprise! The top judge was really Super Cat. Splat the cat takes the cake, said Super Cat. I mean, he takes the TV. Splat was very happy when he got home. He said, now it's time to watch Super Cat. It's you who takes the cake. Super Cat, whispered Splat. Well, he found a way to solve a situation, didn't he? He was very creative. I like Splat the cat. I think he's pretty cool. I hope you did too. Remember, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Read to Me, Miss D. Please don't forget, always when we're reading together, we get to take some journeys and use our imagination, and it's so much fun. And it's really important because you're here with me too. Remember, if you would like a copy of this book to buy, you can go in the description, and I have a link for you to click on. Keep reading, keep loving books. Bye from Miss D.